I'm the owner of Old Crows Classic Cars, and today I'm looking for someone with vision and ambition to be part of my team as a truck driver. So, if you are a truck driver, or consider being a truck driver, or you're just looking for a good profession, this might be the opportunity for you. I'm offering up to 40% of this new company to the first person that has determination and ambition and is willing to pursue this. So, one of the trucks, currently I have two trucks. One you can drive with a regular G car license. The other one requires a D license, which costs about $150, which I'm willing to pay if need be. So if you think this might be for you, check out the full description video on my YouTube channel at Old Crows Classic Cars, or message me here directly for further details.